Yeah, welcome to the Don's Consult, where we simplify chemistry. I have a question for you here, and the question says, it's a JAMB question, very simple, and I know some of you may have issues solving this, but if you look at it very well, it's very simple. It said 0.075 moles of calcium triazocarbonate 4 is added to 0.015 moles of a solution. Okay, there's a tautology there. Solution of hydrochloric acid. The volume of gas evolved at STP is, so we are asked to find the volume evolved. So you ask yourself, which of these two compounds will evolve gas? That is calcium triazocarbonate 4, not hydrochloric acid. So the next thing is for you to write out an equation. And of course, you know that when calcium triazocarbonate 4 reacts with hydrochloric acid, it will evolve CO2 gas, the production of calcium chloride and water. So let's see the equation. That's calcium triazocarbonate react with hydrochloric acid, which will give us calcium chloride plus H2O, which is water, and CO2 gas will be evolved. So you can see that the equation is balanced now. You can see that calcium triazocarbonate was the one that gave the CO2 gas. Therefore, we don't need that 0.015 hydrochloric acid. What we need to solve this problem is 0.075 of calcium carbonate and the CO2 gas that is involved. So to express the equation first, you will use calcium carbonate and CO2. Alright? And when you are doing that, you discover that 1 mole of calcium triazocarbonate 4 evolve 1 mole of CO2. And of course, you know that 1 molar volume of a gas is always 22.4 dm cube. So 1 mole of calcium carbonate gives 22.4 dm cube of CO2. That's the expression of the equation. So now what does the question say? It says 0.075 moles of calcium triazocarbonate will give you what dm cube? That's the question. Alright? So what you do is solve mathematically, you cross multiply. And when you do that, x will be equals to 0. Following the arrow, 0.075 times 22.4 dm cube all over 1. Alright? So you punch with your calculator. I beg your pardon, there's an error there. That should be 0.0, another 10 there. Okay, so punch now. 0.0075 times 22.4 divided by 1. That gives you what? 0.168 dm cube. dm cube. If you want to convert to cm cube, you know that 1000 cm cube equals to 1 dm cube. But this is the answer in dm cube. That's how simple it can be. Here at the Don's Consult, that's what we do.